After realization account, we prepare partners capital account, partners loan account. After realization account, second account will be prepare partners loan account. Partners loan account. Okay. In this account, what we do, we'll transfer to the credit side the balance of loan. Suppose there are two partners. There are two partners who has given the loan to the firm. Partners loan, A and C has given the loan. So credit side will write by balance brought down. We'll write the loan amount. This side, you will take this figure from the balance sheet liability side, and this side you do the payment of the loan to bank account. You do the payment of the loan. Suppose loan is 60 and 40,000, 60 and 40. Then you do the payment to bank account 60,000 and 40,000 and close this one. The loan account will be closed. That's it. So after realization account, which account we will prepare? We will prepare partners loan account. Thereafter we will prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account. Partners capital account. Okay. We'll prepare partners capital account. Suppose there are the three partners ABC, ABC, A, B and C. Okay, A, B and C. They are the three partners. A, B, C. A, B, C. Three partners. So first of all, we'll transfer the capital balance by balance brought down. We'll transfer the capital balance. Thereafter, we transfer the profit or past accumulated reserve, like profit and loss account, credit balance, general reserve or any sort of reserve, general reserve will be transferred in their profit sharing ratio. Then realization profit will be transferred. This side realization loss will be transferred. Realization loss will be transferred this side. Profit will be transferred this side. Realization profit in the credit side, and if there is a loss on realization, then that will be transferred to the debit side, or profit will be transferred to credit side. If the partner fictitious assets will be transferred over here, preliminary expenses, any deferred revenue expenditure, profit and loss account, debit balance will be transferred this side, advertising suspense, in their profit sharing ratio. This all will be transferred in their profit sharing ratio. Okay. Thereafter, if the partner has taken any liability, then this will be transferred to partners capital account. Partners, if any partner has taken the liability, say realization account, you remember the entry in the realization account, I have written in the debit side to partners capital if the partner has taken any liability. So entry will be realization account debit to partners capital account. So in the credit side of partners capital account, suppose the B has taken any such liability, then in the column of B. if the liability is taken by any partner. Here if the assets is taken over by any partner, then this will be posted this side. Assets is taken over by the partner. Suppose A and C has taken the asset, then in the column of A and C, then we'll do the total and see which side total is more and which side total is less. Suppose in A and B total credit side is more, then this amount will be difference amount we will pay to A and B. This is the difference amount through the two bank. If C's debit side is more and credit side is less, then C has to bring additional amount. He has to bring additional amount here by bank account, this side. Okay, so partners capital account will be prepared like this. So we have to see which capital account, which side is more. Suppose this side is more, then we have to pay to that partner. If this side is more and this side is less, then that partner bring the amount and give the amount to the firm. So by bank account or by cash account, and this side we have to pay through the bank or through the cash. And finally we'll prepare cash account or bank account as the case may be. Right from the beginning we have to see, first of all we will write the debit side, we'll write the opening balance, to balance brought down, opening balance of cash. From the balance sheet you figure drop down from the balance sheet, and realization account credit side we have written so many information by bank account. So this side to realization account. In the realization account debit side I have written bank account, so that credit side will post it. This is related to payment. Partners loan account to bank account, so we'll write this side A's loan and C's loan, this side. Here the two partner, we have paid the amount to two partner, okay, by A's capital, by C's capital, and he has bring the, so to A's capital and B's capital, here to C's capital. Finally this total must be matched. This total must be matched, equal. This total must be equal. So the procedure is very simple. We will prepare realization account, thereafter partners loan account, thereafter partners capital account, and if the capital is fixed, then current account, then partners capital account, and thereafter finally we will prepare the cash or bank account, and the balance of both the cash and bank balance must be matched. All the transaction which is done through the bank, right from realization till the payment to the partner or taking the amount from the partners, will be transferred to bank account or cash account, and this account must be matched. This will be the opening balance of cash and bank. This figure drop down from the balance sheet, asset side. Okay, so this is all about the accounting procedure which will be followed at the time of dissolution of partnership firm. So accounting procedure is preparation of realization account, preparation of partners loan account, preparation of partners capital account, and cash or bank account. Journal entries we have discussed about that. Here the journal entry will be A's loan account debit, C's loan account debit to bank account. Here the journal will be profit and loss account debit to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. General reserve account debit to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. Realization account debit to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. When the amount is taken from them, C, to bank account debit to C's capital. Here for preliminary expenses, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to preliminary expenses. For this, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to advertising suspense, to profit and loss debit balance. Okay, and for this, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to bank account. So this is the journal entry. If you know the ledger, if you know the how to prepare the ledger, then journal is simple. Okay.